Alright guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on my 5-in-1 adapter. So this one's actually really cool. I have used it a couple times, but I like to keep my stuff back in the box. But I'll go ahead and show it to you real quick. So it comes with these three right here, which is you can plug it into a computer, your iPhone, or a Type-C device. Like I have an iPad that I use it with. But then on this end, you have the two USBs, the SD card, and the micro SD. And then right here's the Type-C. That Type-C you can use to charge your Lightning devices. So especially like I use it a lot more for my phone. So what's cool is you can plug in like a USB onto here. And the other cool features, like I'll take the videos off of my GoPro through that micro SD, plug it right in here and transfer them to my phone. That way I don't have to do it wirelessly. I could just take a little bit. This is a little bit more direct, so you could do it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like once you connect it. So you want to go to your files like this. And we'll go ahead and plug this into our iPhone. All right, and then once you plug it in, it'll load up. You'll see here it says USB. So then you would just click on that, and then these are the photos that are under my USB that I can just quickly download directly onto my phone. So I thought that was really, really neat. There's sometimes just things that I need to get onto my phone fairly quickly, or they come in like this. So that it just makes it a lot quicker, and it's more convenient just to have this one device for all of them. And the other cool part is you can also use this like on your computer. So if I needed to get those same pictures from my GoPro or from my USB to my phone and to my computer, I can literally just use that same dongle, and there it is. I could just come to the computer and do so as well. So I thought that was really, really neat. So if you're looking for a 5-in-1 device that can plug into a Type-C, a Lightning, or USB, and then still get all your information transferred, I highly recommend this. Definitely a 10 out of 10.